ka high level committee kalarai ban ailat biang sa shisien ni gibreu basa athamyo Mawlong bakin Wanrah Sakhi ban penshishai lade baki dai gi batrei hak Shillong Municipal Board ban hak wei kitanat sarkar kane karai kalalong hadin ba omdon ba Wanrah Sakhi hadu nen ka sngi ka badai ka sngi kut bala aipor laipo sngi khamman shuwa ka HLC khamman shuwa kalabu por nadu ka laitrik ujelew hadu ka laitrik unaitung ye gibreu basa athamyo Mawlong bakin Wanrah iki Sakhi shaka office ka Shillong Municipal Board usumbut menteri rang ba kejela uba prestun tunsong ubalong uchairman ke HLC ulayathu maka komiti hadin klaya thersani ye kikot kisla kalarai ban ailat biang sa laipo sngi tu gibasa athamyo Mawlong ban Wanrah Sakhi bade kane la ban shed haka Shillong Municipal Board bakan le biang ya kane kakam halor ke jingkli ba balai ba ailat biang ye ki haba kimtre ban wan uba prestun ulong baka komiti kadai kabahe mensem bat kadon ke jing perkhat ban ailat biang sa shisien halor ke jingkentha ka harijan panchayat komiti banum penyang ya ka hukum jong ka HLC ba prestun ulong ba hadin balakot kane ke jing aipor laipo sngi ka sarkar kan sarai kumnu banle nrai ulokantaj ban ong ye ke jing kenno ka harijan panchayat komiti bolo pendan kam daga ktin don burom ban berngam yeki ulong balada ki harijan kilakam ba kilasa arspa snam kan don jing e ayu ki ban pensisha ban penbiang ki kot kisla sha ka sarkar
was yesterday, and the report was that no one turned up for producing the documents. So, when we discussed in the committee ultimately, and as per the direction of the High Court, Honorable High Court, we decided in the committee once again to extend the notices for another 30 days time. No, but see, the direction from the Honorable High Court is very, very clear that the residents of this locality, of this place, has to cooperate with the inventorization program made by the Shillong Municipal Board. Cooperate. Kadao ko lang naman may day lahat ni sin. Ikwa ya gaban sa sin pa ban ya ay por yaki. Ni ay por yaki. Ni bahem sin. Ni ay por yaki. Okay. One more time.
But
One
today,
more time notice.
sir, but today the Harijan Panchayat committee has termed your statement as polite.
I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say on that. Whatever they comment, whatever they say, that is up to them to do it. Of course, I just seen today in the newspaper that they claim that they've been here for 200 years. So I'm so shocked to know that 200 years. For me, now I'm 53 years. So if you talk about 200 years, I don't know. From where did you get that 200 years? Maybe during the last time.
So do you want these people who claim that they live here 200 years to prove
200 years, it is, I think that, see, I'm telling you, it's so good, the way they claim. So I don't think they'll have any problem in producing the documents.